What's up everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to solve a major problem that I have, that being that when I use my garden hose out in the yard and I attach it to the spigot from the house, I sometimes lose water pressure when either the bathtub comes on or the kitchen faucet or the dishwasher. That takes away from the water pressure from the hose outside. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some help from my dad, and we're going to branch off of the main sprinkler line and put a hose bib out in the backyard so that we can use the sprinkler water instead of the house water and have a nice consistent pressure for the garden hose. So let's get started. So this right here is our area where we're gonna tee off of the main line. The main line runs right along the curb here, through the valve box, and along this way, away from the curb a little bit further. So I think since it's further away from the curb, we're gonna dig a hole right in here and put our tee here, run the pipe along this way, over to the corner here, and we'll brace the spigot up against this 4x4 here. So it'll look really good, I think, and it'll be super helpful to draw water from the sprinkler line rather than from the culinary line. So I'll walk you through really briefly what we did. So we teed off of the main line here, and then we put in an adapter to 3/4 inch. Ran it all the way around over here, 4x4, about 2 feet into the ground. We'll lock it in place. And we'll have this begin. Wow, I'm really glad to have that done. Thanks to my dad for coming over and helping me out, and for going to the store a few times, getting some of the things that we needed. Really excited to have full city water pressure for my hose, for my garden hose. It'll be really nice to have that when I need to use the hose out in the yard, or if I need it for when I use my hose end sprayer. Can't wait to get using it. I'm going to use it tomorrow, and really looking forward to it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.